Just going.
We're out here in the middle of bumfuck nowhere trying to find this rock quarry. We took another way because there was a guy mowing the grass in the area. We like the way I know for sure to get there, and we're kind of like, oh, we don't want to let him see us going up there. So we've gone down this trail, and you know, it's a nice little trek, but it's not where we're supposed to be going. So we're about to start trekking through the woods, and hopefully we'll find it. And I'll put a nice video of me jumping off a 300-foot cliff on the internet for y'all. So it's not 300, more like 150 tops. So see you a little bit later on, little internet land. Say hi to the camera, Ronnie. Ronnie's taking a pee. We found it. We're here. We're not on the right side. We're supposed to come in way over the fuck over there. If we jumped right here, we'd just die because it's no water. But you see the rocket down there? See how nice and clear it is, dude? Now we're gonna have to trek all the fuck over.
You're not jumping off the top of that, are you?
All over there, way on the side.
You are not.
It wraps around.
Does it get lower? Because that's fucking like...
It's about the same height, but we're gonna try.
Off that, are you?
We're gonna go trek a little bit more and see if we can find the better area.
I see your fucking ass dying.
So, later, people. Now we're here. About to go swimming. About to enjoy the wonderfulness of this illegality. It's not really illegal though, because no one knows where we're at really. You're watching this, it's cool. If you're not knowing where this is, then fuck you. I'm gonna try to get the balls to jump off this cliff today. Maybe not today, maybe some other time, but we're gonna swim over there and check it out. Definitely gonna have some fun. So don't y'all wish you were me here.